Malawi mission trip will begin in Houston on July 21st. We'll be flying from Houston to Johannesburg, arriving on July 22nd. After that, we will depart from Johannesburg on July 23rd and land in Blantyre, Malawi. We will then travel a couple hours south to a village called Nagabu Village, where we will be doing most of our ministry work there. Now, the country of Malawi is a very poor country, but it has a very rich history. The explorer David Livingstone and the missionary David Livingstone spent much of his time in this area, and in fact he discovered the lake, the large lake that the country surrounds, called Lake Malawi. And in fact, the city of Blantyre is actually named after the hometown of David Livingstone. Our team will be going in conjunction with Ellen and Oliver McDonald, who will be coming from one of our Middle Eastern countries, and we'll be bringing a team that will be really an international team coming from several different countries like Malaysia, India, South Africa, all be joining us on this trip. We will be going underneath the leadership of Henny and Rena Venter, who are missionaries that we support as a church and who are a part of Global Ministries Foundation and based out of South Africa. We'll be doing a variety of ministries in Malawi, including tent evangelism, which is something that Henny does everywhere he goes. He's a great evangelist. So as you can see, there'll be hundreds. We expect hundreds of people to come, and many will respond. We'll have the opportunity to counsel with them, obviously using a translator to do that. We'll also be going out and doing sort of hut-to-hut evangelism while we're there. We'll also be ministering to children while we will be there, and youth. We have a team that will be working with them, including Christy Orr from the Nazarene Church, Rebecca McDonald from Dallas, Texas, and a team here from Hope Fellowship Church, including our youth, Sarah Barnett, Luke Davenport, and Riley Waldrop. There will also be opportunities for training of lay people. There'll be people coming from that area and that community that will be trained by various leaders who will be attending with us and going on this trip. One of the areas that I'll be focused in on will be the training of pastors. There will be pastors coming from various places around Malawi and even from Mozambique. Last year there were some who traveled 3 days on bike to get there, and we will be doing extensive training of those pastors in how to study the Bible, how to teach it, how to disciple others, some basic Bible doctrine, etc. So there'll be a very important time of training and equipping pastors. There will also be training of the women leaders of that area, and as you can see, Ellen was doing this last year. The team coming from Lake Jackson includes myself, Clovis Barnett, equipping pastor here at Hope Fellowship Church, my daughter Sarah Barnett, Luke Davenport and Riley Waldrop from Hope Fellowship Church, and Deborah Blackwell and Christy Orr coming from the Nazarene Church. I asked Riley and Luke and Sarah to share briefly why they believe God is calling them and leading them to go on this trip.
Well, like when Sarah brought the poster up, just like hit me. I was like, whoa, God wants me to go there. And so I just was like, oh, I'm gonna do this. And so I don't really know what to expect. I just know He wants me to go. I'll see what happens.
Kind of what Riley said is, when I saw the poster up there, it just kind of hit me with the same, energy, of just this pulse of wanting to go. And me and Riley looked at each other, we're feeling this, and I want to go. I've been to Mexico, and that was a great experience, and seeing all the kids and playing with them, but now going to Africa and going to more of third world country and seeing how things are over there, and I think it'll be an awesome experience.
I want to go to Malawi because it sounds like a really awesome opportunity. I'm really excited about it. I've always wanted to go to Africa, especially since my 9th grade geography class and just hearing about my dad's trip to Africa a few years ago and my cousins who've been missionaries there. So I have a passion to go to Africa and I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping that when we're there that God will really use us in lots of different ways. I'm really excited about being able to work with the kids because of having been able to do children's ministry things here at Hope and hopefully being able to go into education in the future. So I'm excited about that part of the trip, and I'm just excited to see what God does in my life and in the lives of the people that we're going to be ministering to.